Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to shake photo in Capcut. So all you have to do is to launch your Capcut and then import the pictures that you want to use for your editing. Now add keyframes from the first, middle, and end to the last. After you have added some keyframes here, you can do the next step to the following image. So again, tap the second image, but this time you just have to add keyframe from the very first of the image and to the last part. Okay, so do this to the rest of the pictures right here. So once you're done, then you have to tap the image, go to effects, and then go to video effects. Right here, you have to look at below. Tap video effects and then look for lens. Once you found lens, you have to tap this and add it to your CapCut or to the pictures that you are about to edit. So this is what it looks like. Now tap blur effect and then tap object that is beside duplicate. Tap object right here, and then after that, you have to click all videos and then tap this check icon. Now tap this blur effect again and then increase the blur effect into 100. So after you increase, tap this check icon and you will see the result. Go back to the blur effect, add a keyframe from the very beginning and in the middle. Now in the middle, you have to tap and then decrease the blur effect into 40 and then move again to the very last. And then you have to add keyframe again. And then this time you have to change again the blur effect. So tap the very end and then increase the blur effect into 60 or 100 to be exact. So this is what it looks like. Now what you're going to do here is you have to copy or duplicate this like at least two. So one and then duplicate and then duplicate. So that would be three here. And what you're going to do is you have to copy this and put it in every beginning of the next slides or next picture. Once done, tap the image again and then you have to go to effects, nightclub, look for shake, and then kindly trim the shake effect. It should be like this. Same with the, blur effects. It should be under or it should be fit. Same with the blur effects and other effects right here. Now tap object, click all videos, and then tap this check icon. Now add a keyframe to the very first of this shake effect and then increase the speed to 100 and then the intensity did not move, did not change. Now move a little, go to the middle, and then after that we're going to change again the effect. So add keyframe in the middle. For speed, you have to uh, remain it as 100, and then for intensity, 30. Move again, go to the very last, and then add keyframe. And then this time you have to change the speed into 0 and intensity into 0, tap check, and this is what it looks like. So we have this shake effect under the first part of the picture. Now tap the image again, and then you have to look for this animations and then go to out or tap out that is next to in. And then here under out, you have to look for the fade out effect. Okay, so let me tap out first and then look for fade out. Now, once you found that fade out here, that is next to this pro effects right here. So we have your fade out. Set the seconds into zero point 0.1, tap check. And then after that, you have to click the next picture again. And then same thing, you have to go to animations and then look for out and then fade out and then change the seconds into zero point 0.1. Now we're going to add an overlay here. Click add overlay and then look for the white overlay. Now you can cover the image, it's okay. So you just have to simply split or trim this to the very first of the image. So this is what it looks like. Okay, you will not, cover the whole image, just the half of it. Okay, half of the image. Now tap this white overlay and then look for splice. Splice is next to volume. And then after that, what you're going to do next is you have to look for overlay effect. Once then, tap this check icon below. And this should be the result. Now click the overlay and then look for duplicate. And then what you're going to do here is you have to duplicate this and move to the very first of the image. Okay, so you just have to do it to the rest of the images here. If you have tons of images, so you just have to click and then duplicate and place it in the very first or to the very first of the image. So as a result, it should be like this. As you can see, we have added tons of effects like the blur, and we have their overlay and the shake effect. But as you can see, this is the result of after putting those effects. This is just a basic example on how to add some shake photo effects on CapCut. So this shake photo effect in CapCut is good if you're promoting a movie or let's just say presentation, or if you're doing a movie trailer. CapCut shake effect can get the attention of the viewers. So as a result, this is what it looks like. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe and see you again in our next videos.